I dropped this coin in my crypto vault and mentorship group, and this coin went ahead to do over 10x after I dropped it just within 24 hours. You can see it here. The name of the coin is Darkpool, network is Binance Smart Chain. The current market cap as at the time I dropped it in the group was 9,000 market cap. Total supply is just 1 billion, and this is the price. And the target we have was $15,000, $20,000, and $30,000. And here is the contract address. That's how I drop signal in my group about all these low tiny coins. And just a day after I drop it, you can see what I said there. I said if you bought Darkpool when I posted it, congratulations. It has done over 400% gain already. It jumps to 67,000 market cap. That's actually over 400% gain. In fact, it actually went ahead to do over 800% that same day. So even if you have put just $5 into this coin when I drop it, you would have had a profit of over $40 just within a single day on a single trade. So this is what we do in my crypto vault and mentorship class. We simply focus on these low tiny coins. We are not doing future trading. We are just buying all these low tiny coins. We are buying them early before they start going parabolic in prices, before they start going viral, and we are making cool money from them. So the access to this crypto vault and lifetime mentorship class is actually not free, but it's just a very small amount. We are not doing this because of the money, but because we want to help a whole lot of people to make money from crypto space. If you're a Nigerian, you can pay just 5,000 naira to access this crypto vault and lifetime mentorship. And if you are coming from other country, the cost is just $5. That is the amount it will cost you to access this crypto vault and lifetime mentorship. This is Ant token. I dropped Ant token when it was just 2,000 market cap, and this Ant, it went ahead to almost 10,000 market cap in a single day. People in my group actually made over 5x from this Ant token. Look at this one, guys. This is Baby Crepe. I dropped it when it was just around 118,000 market cap. And after I dropped this Baby Crepe, it actually went ahead to almost a million market cap. That is over 9x on the capital. If you enter as at the time I drop it in my crypto mentorship group, and now it is now around 551,000 market cap. It has retraced from 1 million market cap to 550 market cap. Even with this one, you are still in 500% profit if you had entered as at the time I drop it in my crypto group. This is a Shiba AI. I said if you enter Shiba AI when I drop it, you should be in profit of over 250% by now. I say just drop your tithe for the progress of the ministry. And this guy said, yes, so I bought just $3 and it's now $9. I have taken $6 profit and left $3 as a moon bag. Thanks, coach. And I say, great, let's keep taking our position. So that is what we do in this group. Whether you have knowledge about cryptocurrency or you are totally a newbie into cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter. I will show you how to buy all these low tiny coins, all these low market cap coins, and also guide you on when to take profit from them. That is what we do here in this crypto vault and lifetime mentorship with Shina Oladele. So if you are interested, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. As I said earlier, it is not free, but it is just a very small amount of money. Just 5,000 naira if you are from Nigeria and $5 if you are from outside Nigeria. It is not about the money at all. We are just doing this to actually help a whole lot of people to start making cool money from cryptocurrency by focusing on all these low tiny coins and buying them early before they start going viral, before they start going parabolic in price. Alright guys, thanks for watching and let us meet in my next video.